flip-flop vlog, and we're going to try again. And yeah, we're hopefully away for 6 nights.
Yes.
Up at the Peak District. So come along, join us, and hopefully everything's going to go good.
Let you know.
See you soon.
Hello, beautiful people. We are on our way to our campsite. Hope you are having a lovely day as we are approaching near to our campsite. So,
About 3.5 hours of very boring motorway, and now we're in this beautiful countryside now. Finally come off the motorway. Just around the corner from Alton Towers.
yeah,
Yeah, so we're not far away. We're about 20 minutes left to go.
we might go to all the towers. You never know. Look at mountain Leek. We are approaching the Leek village. So let's have a charity.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom is actually
After 1,000 feet, turn right. Head right to your destination after half a mile.
There you are. Welcome.
So it's just past that.
Calculated route.
Yeah, three horseshoes. Filipino one. Yeah, 200 yards.
Drive for 8.1 miles.
Look again.
There it is.
Yeah,
This one over the
that's
pub
it.
is.
Yeah,
Up
that's the
there for
right
dinner.
one. I think that looks nice, though. Yeah, that pub in there. No arrivals before 1 p.m. So exactly now 1 p.m. It's already like 3 o'clock. So alright folks, this is where we are going to stay. It's
Arrivals, please. Forward to stop sign. Okay, well we have finally arrived at Blackshaw Moor Caravan and Motorhome Campsite, and we're here for 6 nights. Come through a bit of rain, but hopefully it'll stay off. See how we get on. So just going to have a quick look at the site really. Have a little walk round. It's quite nice, quite spacious. Second toilet block up the back here. Usual camping and motorhome club site rules that you just find a pitch that's empty, park up and let them know where you are. That's how it works with this club, so it seems to be quite nice. Let's have a little walk round. Does seem to be quite low level here with the exception of the back, which I like it with low hedges and stuff. Oh, I can smell someone's dinner. We're just going to walk up the pub for tonight. Planning on cooking the rest of the week. And yeah, you saw on the way in there was a, about to see it now actually, big mountain hill, more than a hill I'd say, over there in the background. Lorna got quite excited by that, so I'm sure she's going to want to climb it. We've done our water, got our electrics on, set up the little shelter so that we've got table and chairs outside. Just gives you a bit more space indoors really. Couple of extra pitches tucked away there. And this is the main entrance and main block. Got a drying room and a laundry room. Chemical waste point, dishwashing area, standard but sound, nice and warm too, clean. As always, never had a problem with a caravan and motorhome club site. Pretty borders too. Just going to go in and wash my hands. Showers look good. Yeah, always very well kept after here. Always impressive. Have a little look in the information room. Not sure where we are on here. Plenty of information in here. First night, 5 minutes walk down the road. The Horseshoes pub. The Three Horseshoes pub. But what a glorious evening. Considering we drove through some rain, really is lovely. So I just had a nice roast carvery, and Lorna found some Filipino street food on the menu. So she's happy.
Pancit behind, which is obviously composed of rice noodles and the chicken in itself. So like barbecue chicken stew. So yeah, that was really nice with sauce with mango street food and a salad on the side. So that was good. So I will rate it to 8.
There you go, 8 out of 10 for that. And I had an extra large carvery, and that was well, both meals came to £40 and £12 for a round of drinks. So yeah, not bad. Didn't want to cook on the first night. Absolutely shattered. Lorna's knackered because she's just done a night shift. So probably going to be an early night. But yeah, this is literally a 5-minute walk from the campsite. So really good. And hopefully, you guys just told me we can get buses into Bakewell. So that'll be on the cards one day this week. So yeah, heading back now. Good morning. It's Monday morning, our first morning here at Blackshaw Mall campsite. Had a nice quiet night, very quiet night. Very quiet campsite actually.
Lovely, yeah.
And Dad's cooked breakfast in the air shelter this morning. And yeah, we're going to go for a walk and see if we can find Leek village. Apparently it's about a 3-mile walk. So for Lorna that's about 4 days.
Sorry? 4 days?
Yeah. And yeah, we'll go for that walk. It's a bit gloomy this morning. It was lovely at 6. Funny enough, nice and clear just on that mound this morning. They call it something like Ruddle or something. I've forgotten the exact name of it. But hopefully if it's clear we'll do that tomorrow. But as it's a bit gloomy, we thought we'd go down into the market town. And then there's a reservoir the other side of the pub that we were in last night. So we're going to have a walk and we'll see you later. Absolutely gorgeous scenery. This is the pub that we were in last night for dinner. Three Horseshoes Inn. It's nice. Good food. Got that on a separate camera, so won't harbour on about that. But it was very nice, recommend it. And it's literally 5 minutes from the campsite, which is just about there. That was a climb. Bit out of breath now. And there's the sign. We've reached Leek. Pretty little roundabout. Still walking. Just gone past Lidl's. According to the sign, we're still heading to the marketplace, so I must be doing something right, hopefully. And we found the library. Got a very old-fashioned looking front. Yeah, that's all there is. This is the first time I'm trying out the new Audi Cook, sort of electric saucepan. First time using it, quite impressed actually. Just doing some meatballs and then I'm going to add the sauce, so it's more powerful than a slow cooker, so I can't use it for that. But it's an alternative to using the gas. When you're on electric, save your gas. I'll let you know how it goes. Good morning and welcome to Wednesday.
No, it's Tuesday.
Tuesday, our second full day. Tuesday. And we're just off to get the bus into Buxton now. Yeah, quiet night last night, watched the film.
Very peaceful, yeah, peaceful area. Very nice, relaxing.
We're going to try and get these buses. We've looked at the bus timetable online. Hopefully we're all good. Let's hope they take card, otherwise we're not going anywhere.
Oh yeah, exactly. Oh my god.
See you on the way. Well, what do you know, the first bus stop that's actually got a timetable on it.
Alright, okay. So we're in the right time then.
10:54 to Buxton.
10:54.
So there we are. Bus 108. Better late than never. And we're on our way to Buxton. It's really warmed up standing at the bus stop as well. Off we go. So we arrived in Buxton. Probably about a 20-minute journey. Here we are.
Yeah.
Don't know what's here. Obviously there's going to be a market here later on today. And this is the marketplace, so that makes sense. But yeah, just have a walk, I guess. Very old, quaint looking bookshop. 5 floors, blimey. Don't see many bookshops like that anymore, do you? Quite an intriguing looking pub too. So we're just going to head the other way now in Buxton. Unusual ceiling. Unusual hot tub bath as well. Presumably this is the Crescent. If you like our videos, it really helps us with YouTube if you can hit the thumbs up on the bottom of the video link. And to be notified of our next video, please subscribe to the channel on the bottom left. And if you want, leave us a comment. Okay, so we've just been in the Buxton Baths bit and had a walk around the natural baths. Just the couple of shops in there and stalls really, as you saw. And now swing around and show you
the park.
what's behind us. And we're going to go up and have a look at that. If I can get it in, there we go.
It's a bit steepy
A
climb.
memorial thing behind us. We're going to have a look, see what that is, before we start heading back.
Something going in there. Waiting for the market.
Very pretty architecture around here. So now I'm just trying a local beer brewed in Bakewell called Jupiter. It's the most local one I could get. It seems like a nice pub. So we've had our beer, it's very nice. Very sleepy now. And we just grabbed a Cornish pasty out of the baker's to take back. Enjoy when we get there. The scenery out here is absolutely fantastic. Just so peaceful. It's Wednesday. It's drizzly, it's wet, it's cold. But the weather forecast was rubbish for today. So we're just going to go and check out the reservoir locally. See what that is. It's only a mile away. And then come back and warm up for the rest of the day, I think. Good morning, and it's now Thursday. We're on day 4.
So we are making the most of the day today because it's lovely and bright and shiny. Hope you're having a good day. And if you're interested to merch, here's our merch jumper with the vlog.
So, yesterday was literally a washout. And today is the complete opposite. Just look at that glorious sky. So wet yesterday and yet not a cloud in the sky this morning. So, for once the weather forecast was right, which means today we're heading over to there, the Roaches. So we're only about 10 minutes out of the campsite. Just stopped to take a picture of the waterfall. Well, we've started the climb up and it was one heck of a climb. And I don't think we're anywhere near the top yet. Wow. But what a view. What a view. And also, got to say, a bit of a pong. So we're now on a little road, but we're definitely getting closer. There they are. Luxury shepherd huts. It would also appear that that was the reservoir that we visited yesterday. The only trip that we didn't film much because it was very wet and cold, but gives you an idea of the size of it now. You can just see here the people walking up. Long way, I think. Wow. Here we go. Can hear voices of people. This way behind us has turned into a rock climbing event. So we're not sure if there's another path, but we're not doing this one. This was just hell getting up here. Well, Lorna managed to find another path, a bit more treacherous than the last one, but we got a bit higher and she's gone on and I'm just trying to get my breath back. Still quite high, beautiful scenery in the background. What a glorious day. So, mission restarted. We heard about a more gentle climb and we made it to the top of the roaches. So that Lorna was on a rock just above where I was sitting, but we've made it to the top. What a view that is. Just take a minute to absorb that. It is absolutely spectacular. Apparently on a clear day you can see snow, but I don't know which way to look. Back down on the bottom. This is the other rock, the other side. There's quite a few little rocky mounds around here. Lorna wanted to have a picture done by this stone circle. Not quite sure what it's supposed to represent, but yeah, there we are. So we just had a drink in the Old Rock pub and now we're heading back. Good morning everyone. It's now Saturday lunchtime. We didn't do much. Good Friday, just chilled in the van, had a rest, and now we've come out this morning, all packed up, and we're in Bakewell just for a bit. Just have a look around on the way home. So yeah, welcome to Bakewell. Cute little village town. Had to be done.